Welcome to Fresh Faces. In today's beauty segment, I'm here to prepare a magical face pack which helps to nourish your skin and gives amazing result within a short span of time. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So the first ingredient which you require is rice flour. All you have to do is to take 5 to 6 tablespoons of rice and blend into a fine powder consistency. You can refrigerate it and use it as and when required to prepare this face pack. The benefits of rice flour. It is a good anti-inflammatory agent. Rice flour prevents the skin from suntan and also soothes sunburns. Also, the sun protecting agent like ferulic acid makes the rice flour a rich natural sunscreen. An effective ingredient which I am using for preparing this face mask is yogurt. Preferably use unflavored yogurt. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid. Also, vitamin A and E helps to hydrate the skin and locks the moisture content present in the skin. The last and the most effective ingredient of this face pack is boiled rice water. You can see. Preferably overnight rice water. You can get better results when using overnight boiled rice water. This rice water has amazing benefits. This helps to tighten the skin, fades dark age spots, and minimizes the fine lines and wrinkles. Rich source of antioxidants enriched with vitamin A, C, and flavonoids. Preparation of this face mask. Take a clean mixing bowl, and we have to mix the 3 ingredients in equal proportion to form a thick, fine paste. Now you can see the consistency of this cream. Look at the consistency, guys. Preferably, I love to use this cream on my skin. This cream has got amazing results. Now you have to apply this face pack on your face and neck, and after 15 minutes, wash it with lukewarm water. So after 10 to 15 minutes, wash it out with lukewarm water. You can see magical results on your face. So for effective results, at least try to use 3 to 4 times a week. Whenever you are preparing this face pack, try to prepare in a fresh manner. You can blend the rice flour and store so that you can prepare this face pack accordingly to your requirements. On continuous use of this face pack, you will get a flawless, wrinkle-free skin. On regular application of this face mask, you will get a crystal clear glass skin with faster progress of your skin complexion. This face pack is one of the traditional and ancient Japanese skin secret too. So this is also one of the Korean skin secret therapy. Now after using for a couple of weeks, come back and leave a comment below about your results of this face mask. So that's all for today's videos, dear. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.